a music video a few days back, in fact, a couple of weeks back, if I'm not mistaken. How would you rate her singing potential on a scale of 5, let's say?
First of all, I didn't even know that she had. Second of all, I really wouldn't like to comment. Yeah, I don't even know that she launched an album. मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता था कि उनको गाना आता है. अगर आता है तो माशाल्लाह मुबारक हो. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be rushing to pick up one of her songs in a hurry.
Who do you think is hotter out of these two men, Salman Khan or Ranbir Kapoor?
Salman Khan by a mile. First of all, let me tell you why. One, because I love Rishi Kapoor much more than I love Ranbir Kapoor. For me, Rishi Kapoor way hotter than Ranbir. And when it comes to the hottest man in Bollywood, मेरा पहला crush, the man I love, Salman Khan.
Sufi, who according to you is the best actor turned singer? Amitabh Bachchan, Priyanka Chopra or Ranbir Kapoor?
There is only one amazing actor come singer, and that's Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Sufi, which is your favorite holiday destination and why?
Holiday, वो क्या होता है? I actually love traveling and मैं holidays बहुत कम लेती हूँ. जब थोड़ा वक्त मिलता है, I go back to my hometown London to hang with family and friends. लेकिन उसके अलावा I studied in Paris for 2 years and my favorite city in the world is Paris. And if I really had to take a holiday and just relax and take time out, then I would love to go to somewhere like Phuket or Bali and just disconnect from everyone and be a beach bum, literally.
Who's your favorite designer or brand?
When it comes to Indian designers, I think it's no secret that I'm a big fan of Manish Malhotra when it comes to Indian wear. I think he is just outstanding.
And 3 latest trends that you'd like to suggest to our readers?
Wow. Well, I think I'm somebody who doesn't follow fashion blindly. I believe आप वही पहने जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, जिसके साथ आप comfortable हैं. But I really do like the neon trend. I like adding bright things to my pieces.
What turns on you in a man and what turns you off?
Okay. Let's go with the off first, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा आसान है. I think men who don't have good personal hygiene and who are not well groomed, that's a big turn on. A turn on, I think, is a guy who can challenge me, who can interest me. I think पहले ही लड़कों को थोड़ा बहुत डर लगता है मुझे approach करने में. So anyone who has the guts to do that in the first place is exciting.
What would be the most romantic song you would like to sing for your man?
तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा, तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ, अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सदा.
Who is the hottest cricketer?
I think Virat Kohli is very hot.
बॉलीवुड में प्रियंका, अनुष्का और कैटरीना में सबसे सेक्सी फिगर किसका है?
प्रियंका, अनुष्का, without a doubt Katrina Kaif.
आपको इंडिया की किम कार्दाशियन कहा जाता है, तो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
She's great, and I have total respect for somebody who's made their career out of being famous. I think it's incredible what she's achieved, and but I think I have more talent. That's all.
We've seen that you did a song, It's All About Tonight in Paris. It has got immense popularity. What do you have to say about that? We heard that you twisted and you used some French words and stuff.
Yeah, I'm really excited. It's my first playback song, and it's for Preeti Zinta's film Ishq in Paris. And Preeti called me and she said, I have this fabulous song and it's already recorded, but I wanted to sound more international, and babe, you speak French, and babe, like what can you do? And like, you know, she gets really excited and passionate about her work.
And Hangama Ho Gaya is usually referred to one of the most raunchiest music videos of yours. So what actions are you planning to take now that the video has been leaked?
Oh, well actually that's not, the video has not been leaked. That was just
part of the video.
It's actually not even a part of the video. It is just some shots that somebody took while we were shooting. So what you see in the video is shot completely differently. It's not from the main camera, it's from somebody's mobile phone that they've taken it. And when you actually see it in the video, it all looks very different.
Do you believe that sex sells? That's impossible.
Well, my video, listen, I'm not going to be all, you know, mind my P's and Q's and be all prim and proper. The reason for doing the video Hangama Ho Gaya is that it is a very sexy, raunchy video. And I think sex sells in every single country.
A lot of people tweeted about your album Hangama Ho Gaya and ended up saying she has done a Hangama again. What was the best reactions that you got from any of the close friends?
Oh God, everyone. Oh yeah, I love Tushar. He's one of my dearest friends, and so उनकी सबसे अच्छी बात ये कि वो सच बोलते हैं. He doesn't just say things for the sake of it. So he said to me, "You are officially the Indian J-Lo."
Sophie, you bid goodbye to your band Sansara, you know, a decade ago.
Yeah.
So why? I mean, are you planning to form a band again
Never.
and do a live?
Never.
You want to do this?
I would never do it. No, it's been 10 years, more than 10 years, and I would never be part of a band again.